Are you ready to make payments faster, safer, and more convenient for your customers? Apple Pay is one of the most secure and popular payment methods today, and setting it up for your business is easier than you think. In this video, we'll show you how to accept Apple Pay at your business, from in-store payments to online and mobile transactions. Setting up Apple Pay can streamline your checkout process, increase customer satisfaction, and future-proof your business. Let's start with the basics. Apple Pay is a mobile payment system that allows customers to pay using their iPhones, Apple Watches, or other Apple devices. It uses near-field communication, or NFC technology, to process contactless payments. So, how does Apple Pay actually work? Well, when customers use Apple Pay, their card information is tokenized, meaning their actual card details are never shared. Instead, a unique transaction code is generated, ensuring secure and fast payments. To accept Apple Pay, follow these steps. Step 1. Choose a payment processor that supports Apple Pay. Many providers, including Payment Cloud, integrate seamlessly with Apple Pay to enable secure transactions. Step 2. Make sure your payment terminal is NFC enabled so it can process contactless payments. If you don't already have this hardware, consult your payment processor to upgrade your equipment. Step 3. Display the Apple Pay logo at your checkout counter, website, or mobile app. This lets customers know you're ready to accept their preferred payment method. To accept Apple Pay online, you'll need to integrate it with your website's payment gateway. Once integrated, customers can use Apple Pay to check out with just a few clicks, providing a seamless shopping experience. If your business operates on the go, you can accept Apple Pay directly to your iPhone. All you need to do is install a mobile point-of-sale app, like your processor's mobile app. Then, the iPhone itself will act as your card reader. Let's go through the top benefits of accepting Apple Pay. Speed. Transactions are completed in seconds, reducing wait times. Apple Pay has now been able to process 1.8 billion transactions a quarter. This has shown a 40% year-over-year rise, proving that Apple Pay is only getting more popular with time. Next is security. Tokenization and biometric authentication make it one of the safest payment methods. Then you have customer convenience. Many customers prefer contactless payments, and Apple Pay is widely recognized and trusted. Its user base even surpassed 640 million people in 2024 and is only growing. And finally, future-proofing. Stay ahead of the competition by offering modern payment methods. And while Apple Pay has many advantages, there are some challenges to consider, like initial setup costs. Upgrading to NFC-enabled terminals may require an upfront investment. Then, there's customer awareness. Some customers may not yet be familiar with Apple Pay or how to use it. And lastly, limited compatibility. While Apple Pay is widely accepted, not all payment processors or older hardware support it. The good news is that using Apple Pay does not incur additional fees. However, standard credit card processing fees from your payment provider still apply, typically ranging from 2.5% to 3.5% per transaction. If you're evaluating other options, consider these competitors to Apple Pay. Google Pay. Sharing many of Apple Pay's security features, Google Pay is primarily for Android users. Samsung Pay. Compatible with Samsung devices and supports NFC and MST technologies. PayPal. Popular for online transactions and now supports contactless payments through QR codes. Each alternative has its pros and cons, so choose the one that best fits your customer base and business needs. So, is Apple Pay the right fit for your business? If you cater to a tech-savvy customer base or want to enhance the security and convenience of your payment process, Apple Pay is a great option. It's especially beneficial for businesses looking to stay competitive in the digital age. Now, let's go through some FAQs about Apple Pay. Question 1. How secure is Apple Pay for transactions? Like I said before, Apple Pay is highly secure, thanks to tokenization, biometric authentication, and encryption. Your customer's actual card details are never shared during a transaction. Question 2. What types of card readers are compatible with Apple Pay? You'll need an NFC-enabled card reader to accept Apple Pay, and most modern terminals support NFC technology. Question 3. How do my customers pay with Apple Pay? Customers simply hold their iPhone or Apple Watch near their NFC-enabled terminal and authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Question 4. What is the difference between Apple Cash and Apple Pay? Apple Cash allows users to send and receive money within the Apple ecosystem, while Apple Pay is used for making purchases at businesses or online. Question 5. Does Square accept Apple Pay? Yes, Square supports Apple Pay through its NFC-enabled hardware and mobile payment solutions. And that's everything you need to know about accepting Apple Pay for your business. From faster transactions to enhanced security, Apple Pay is a great way to modernize your payment process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on payment solutions. And as always, leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy processing.